Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Toyota Tundra. The 2026 Toyota Tundra is shaping up to be a powerful contender in the full-size pickup truck segment, combining robust performance, modern design, and cutting-edge technology. Here's what you can expect: performance and powertrain. The 2026 Tundra is likely to continue offering powerful engine options, including a twin-turbo V6 and the iForce Max Hybrid Powertrain, delivering both efficiency and strength. With enhanced towing capacity and off-road capabilities, it's built for both work and adventure. Design and exterior. Expect a bold, aggressive front grille, LED lighting, and muscular body lines that reflect Toyota's rugged design language. New wheel designs and color options might also be introduced to keep the look fresh and appealing. Interior and technology. Inside, the 2026 Tundra will likely feature a luxurious cabin with premium materials and advanced infotainment systems, including a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. Enhanced driver assistance features will also be available, ensuring safety and convenience. Off-road capability. For off-road enthusiasts, the TRD Pro variant will continue to offer skid plates, all-terrain tires, and upgraded suspension for tackling tough terrains. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.